Have you ever had a cell phone case that worked like magic? The 360-degree rotating stand on the back of it allows you to stand at any angle, allowing you to swipe TikTok vertically to watch a movie horizontally. And the most amazing thing is that it can be suctioned on any metal surface, such as on the refrigerator or on the coffee maker. And when its stand is open, it can also allow you to hang it on your tool board to provide convenience. And the full MagSafe support allows you to suction it on your wallet to provide convenience, or charging treasure to make the charging more snappy. And if you're interested, there's a $15 off coupon below. Click through to check it out.